Students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, some fishermen caught some fish. No one caught more than 20 fish. A1, the number of fishermen caught at least one fish among them. A2, number of fishermen caught at least two fish among them, and so on. And A20, number of fishermen caught exactly 20 fish among them. How many fish were caught? Now, let xi be the number of fishermen who caught I fishes. Suppose we have the following table. The number of fishes which are caught by fishermen who caught one fish is x1 is equal to a1 minus a2 into 1. The number of fishes which are caught by fishermen 2 who caught two fishes, 2 into x2 is equal to a2 minus a3 into 2, and so on. Thus, the number of fishes which are caught by fishermen who caught one fish is 20 into x20 is equal to a20 into 20. Now this is a kind of a telescoping sum, which is equal to a1 plus 2a2 minus a1 plus 3a3 minus 2a3 plus 4a4 minus 3a4, and so on up to 2820 minus 19a20. And here this would be 2a2 minus a2. So this would give us a1 plus a2, and so on up to a20. Therefore, option 1 gives us the correct answer. The next question is with reference to the right angle triangle shown, that is this one. What is the value of sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B? Now sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B is equal to sin A plus B, and we have been given that A plus B plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. From here we get A plus B is equal to 90. So sin 90, which is equal to 1. Therefore option 2 gives us the correct answer.